Here we have a search set up in 3 columns: by taxonomy, ratings, and a text search. So far, when creating a search, we've included a submit button. This is a natural way for a user to make a series of selections, and once they made their choices, run the search. The entire page needs to reload in order to see the results. This takes time and also resets the vertical position of the page on each reload. Toolset offers another method that only updates the results part of the page and leaves everything else in place. This speeds up the refresh and it looks cool. Let's try it out. In the admin, let's use our navigator to select our View Search. Under the Custom Search, we'll switch away from the traditional page refresh and instead choose the Ajax refresh. Once we do, we see options for spinner graphics. These spinners can be set to show up when a browser needs time to download the new search results. It's a nice interface for the end user. We'll leave it on the default for now. Checking the front, we see that when we make a selection and hit Submit, our spinner pops up, a general overlay color fills the part of the screen that needs to update, and then we see our results. And let's say I scroll the page down a bit and then run a search. What's really nice is the page stays vertically where it is and doesn't keep resetting to the top of the page each time. On the back end, as a different option, let's remove the overlay color and change the spinner. And when we look again, we see those changes. Okay, let's go back again and switch to the third option, Ajax Refresh, when changing any filter. On the front end, we can see what it does. Every time I change a search option, it runs a search. I no longer have to hit the Submit button. If I use the text search field, it runs the search as soon as I hit the Return or Enter key. If your site would normally have a user make many selections, then this might be annoying to the user. But this is fantastic if a user might only make 1 or 2 search option changes. It actually makes the Submit button useless. So let's remove it. Highlight it, and remove block. And there you go. Searching with Ajax.